See if I can with people, less than 5. So, Japan breadfruit time now. So people, the breadfruit done. See if I catch up. Show the saltfish now. Show the one that I know. You don't know. Because ketchup can't let the ketchup at all. The people. Yeah. It looks with the black, I'm going on it, but I say I got still. Wagwan people, welcome back to the channel. You see me? As honestly, the channel name change. So all over there long time must realize say yo the channel name change. Right? It changed because we think say yo your style cooking and adventure so much better for the channel and fit the channel better because of the direction we want to go with the channel, you see me? So that's why the name change. Today I'm gonna do some brown stew saltfish and some roast breadfruit, you see me? I know say the phone you don't know say saltfish can brown stew, you know. So stick and stay with that. Leave a like, leave a comment and tell me one thing about the brown stew saltfish. Yeah. Subscribe if you're new. Share the video to everybody you know. Follow me on Instagram, Yastyle Cooking, and IG, Jev876 and IG, you see me? That's my personal IG page. The two links for the channel them, the two links for the IG page them are down below. You see me? So you're gonna click on it and follow me, you see me? So stay tuned with the people. I'm out. See if I hear people, you know, sticks them well dry because I look them from the day before yesterday because beer rain, so I say oh, but I stick them for none because I don't know if you're in a continue fall. See, follow mine and it work out because if you follow mine, you stick them with a wet. I'm going for the video, you see me? And I don't know, say at country, roasting breadfruit on the stove, it's a no-no, you see me? We grew up, we got a bush and look stick, fruit breadfruit them, you see me? Yeah, because when it breadfruit on the stove, come like say yo, in the nice. I swear, come like say in the nice. Stick fire are the best. To cook pan, for anything pan, you see me? It just give off a different flavor, you see me? People, wanna subscribe because the best of this channel is yet to come. So make sure you subscribe. It's before, subscribe, click the bell with a drop, share the video to everybody you know, leave a like, leave a comment. Soon to come back with again. Alright people, I turn up the roast breadfruit and all that. See if I over there so already. And I'm go ahead and start chip off some chip up a stick to get your fire, you see me? Then we call it bram, you see me? Yeah. Alright. Next thing people. You see people normally mark the breadfruit when they roast it. I'm ask them why they do that, they must say boy they don't know. Because then people do it so they do it. So basically my father. And they might do it and don't know the purpose of the marking in the breadfruit. Alright. They mark it and don't push the knife right through it, right? When you mark the breadfruit, you push the knife right through it from the center, go straight through. You see me? That way, when you roast it, you roast faster because the steam will go to the breadfruit faster. You see me? So all who never know that are the purpose for mark the breadfruit, make the steam go through. So when you mark it, you push it through. So then you mark it and don't push the knife through the breadfruit hard, you see me? That would make sense. Yeah. So all who know. And also, this breadfruit pick from yesterday. If you realize it kinda soft, you see? Kinda soft. Right now, this breadfruit well nice. It's when you pick the breadfruit, you pick it and put it down to a DR2. When it gets soft, when it gets ripe, it's more nicer because you don't know when things ripe, the sugar level gone up in it. You see me? So me now when I pick it and put it down for a DR2 when it gets ripe. Yeah. So people, I tired enough with the breadfruit and this pick from yesterday. I'm gonna show you the clip when I pick it now. I'm gonna see what I go on. People some breadfruit right there, so I my pick. And you can't add them, but one right there, so and one more there, so I can show you now. One right here, so one up here, so I want some running, but I can't see the one, so I pick them on before rain start fall because I'll be a rain. reaching achieve people, but it is very wet, so I can't go far. And it took too short. I don't know if that's the best route now, but it took very short. So in green there, you should be very careful. And then very green part there. So I'm picking up and checking back with now. Make it one people, which is very wet, so I'm not gonna too far actually. I'm gonna tree, but people, I'm gonna put that tree in the bud. The tree is very slippery. You see me? I'm gonna decide I'm not gonna go too far because of beer rain. As you know, see, it's like sky dark. Yeah, beer rain. I'm gonna decide to say, I want breadfruit, I want to shoot the video and say, oh, I'm gonna risk it all because I don't know, so I'm climbing the tree. I couldn't drop out and anything because the tree is very slippery and the green stuff I'm showing you, very slippery. Them the extra slippery, you see me? Because if I never them green something there, we can climb it, you see me? But climb it like further, but besides I'm not going too far, you see me? I get one, so I'm still grateful. Yeah. So stay tuned people. And we also find two pair, you see me, my name pair but family pair. So right now people, time for it for you now. It's a cardboard and lighter. Yes, so time up that for you. All we do, just tape the cardboard and then light it, you see me? And they pack the bram over it and wait for about 5 minutes or less. When they catch the two and they put on the fire, you see me? So stay tuned people. I'm checking back with time this sketch. See if I catch the people, less than 5. So chop and breadfruit time you know. So I don't know see how quick time this going to start out. You see me? So checking back with again. I put the starfish now to go and soak before I boil it, you see me? So people, see starfish here, make it go and soak, then we throw the water here and then boil it in different water, you see me? Because I don't want it to be salt. So by the time the breadfruit done roast, you can throw the water here, then scar it off. You don't know a country, you have guinea, you have enough fruit that country, you see me? So shell on guinea. In the meantime, while the food are going to start out, you see me? People could me shell them any amount of fruits. Give any amount of guinea, mango, apple, guava, like I don't make juice, but any fruit I shell them, but may like here do. Yeah man. Alright people, the breakfast can turn now, you see me? Put this in because close man lion and you don't know say how smoke and close no grease, so put this here so the smoke can channel and go different places. Basically, no channel where the smoke. So, I ain't work so far. Yeah, like invention here. So, if you come up and go so, and go up and gone, instead of go so. You see me? So, yeah. So, third time around. So, people, breadfruit soon done roast. Right now, I now build up no more fire around it. But if you realize there's no fire, yeah. So, basically, it's a soak now. So, I don't want heavy fire, make it burn up. You see me? So, as soon as this finish roast, I'm checking my food and show it to the starfish. You see me? Starfish not take no time. Longest thing, how when time this a roast, you see me? How 10 starfish fall off. Roast with starfish, not take no time. And remind your subscribers, a first ever prepare brown stew saltfish. You see me? First time ever. And the first time I tasted it. So you can definitely stay tuned for that. And also subscribe. Yeah, press that enough. Subscribe and like the video, you see me? Leave a comment and tell me what you think about the brown stew saltfish if you ever eat it before and if you hear about it. You see me? Before, the best of this channel is yet to come when I get enough more cooking video and enough more adventurous video, because as the channel name, Yard Style Cooking, meaning say I just outdoor cooking mostly, is me? Real authentic Jamaican stuff and enough adventurous thing, you know, garbush, big game, catch fish, you know, hunting videos, go to hunt bird, crab, fish, all them things, you see me? And when I time them, more on garbush, hunt deer and wild hog them things, you see me? So, once you can stay tuned, by the subscribe and to the bell and share the video to everybody who thinks, you know, who don't want to watch the video, you see me? So, I'm out for no people. So people, the bed float done. See if I catch up, you know, because the breeder blow. So at time now we put on this. So I'm said before, I throw the water off it and then get some more water on it. Okay, so my scald so now and then clean up it. So stay tuned, people. Take our time for this, put it right here so you can keep warm, and put on time with the bed, the starfish. Now make it scald that much, that too long, because the soak and most of the salt gone out already. So make it scald about 5 minutes after the water start boil up, nothing too long. Most of the salt gone already, and then we clean up this. So in the meantime, people, I'm gonna get them a season we're gonna use, like onion, scallion, thyme, and them things. So I get them there and go and cut them until the starfish don't boil up, because I don't know if it's not the time to boil, because I have to stick fire. So soon checking back on it again. Yeah, soon checking back. So people, so what I use today, onion, scallion and thyme. So get them cleaned up and cut up and all that. So people, it's time hot. I'll take off my one little pool there, a little fish pond behind the house. I'll take a top off the night. Right now, I'm not fishing the net yet. Soon put fish in the net, soon buy a fish and put it in the net, you see me? So, when I'm done this, take a top off the net, you see me? See the onion done clean up. Dear people, so cut up time enough for them here. Soon checking back. So people, same thing here, and I take out the cutter now, yeah, and get starfish clean up and then throw them back, you see me? Not no time for burn through down. So you can stay, people. Alright, people, put all the pot on the fire to go and hot back. So in the meantime, I'll go and pick up the starfish. So by the time starfish done pick up the pot hot already the oil, you not put much in it. Little bit. That must good. So when I add that, check it back with it. Yes? Soon come. People, I must add already, so show the starfish now. Alright. It's not it. No time, people. No time, it's not it. people. But a drop off. Wow. Stuff to use at least. Hot. So, time now for the seasoning. What are the people? Yeah, time now for the season. That's stir up time. The people that then space too wide apart. That's like one. So, cover it up a bit. Get some water and come up because I don't know, so you know I'm falling night. Alright, so throw in the water nice I know. Little bit. Can't really want much. And people can put onion night. You know onion, tomato and also pepper and all that. You can put what you want night. So this one now soon come people making it a pack in a minute. I don't know that the man stick and so. Wow. I don't know if I brown through you put a tip of brown in night. Wow, that looks too much. That looks too much people. And also you put you don't know Maggi season. Yeah, you put the Maggi at all. You don't know because ketchup can't left for the ketchup at all. You see me? Can't left for the ketchup. Put a bit more ketchup tonight. Alright people, so give it some time to boil down to gravy. I don't know the saltfish cook already. Right? So cover up now. Then next time checking you do this done. Alright. Fire kind of low, so don't know. Putting back some sticks in the fire and blow up it. So if you can catch it back. Oh, some sticks you can push up people. Alright, if I catch it back there. I don't know, I don't wash up the pot, I don't know if I put a block up because of stick fire. Yeah, so soon chicken back with the people. To the people. Yeah. The liquid too black, come up when you go nice, but I say I go still. So now get this peeler now people. In the meantime, but I'm done peel this. That way done is Jamaica. I don't know if there's enough water going on it already, so quick time that done. So let's get to peeling this. people on this. Same brown spot here. Comment below and tell me what causes them brown spot here. Comment below. Well, them here, for all you know, them here bee sting. You see me, because bee sting up, so you don't know, so they brown spot they cut out. You see me, because them brown spot there bitter, not nice, so when normal cut out them brown spot there. So that's why sometimes yeah, breadfruit and you taste peace and bitter. Yeah man, I didn't brown spot here cause it. Yeah. You don't know say I'll use 2 almond tree leaves to destroy it. But very survive for the people because at current time no one can take vaccine and basically they must take vaccine and then respond to it, so the life survive without the fat things. Learn to survive of a nature because when you learn and not take vaccine, you can't go nowhere. You start. So if you learn to use them thing and eat off of them thing and learn to survive many woods and them thing there. Basically, this finish early, I'm cut to all them brown spot here. So check for this now. Alright, good. It's done. Brown stew saltfish. Done people, so take off time for this now. So take a long time now for this now. See what I'm going to do. Let's see how it tastes now, people. Alright, first, mark this breadfruit without anything. As you know, that oh nice already, you see me? So I taste the saltfish now, alone. People, you can eat man and taste what we know. Wow. Yeah man. Bad. Bad people so. Sorry. Taste it though. Nice and true. Yeah man, nice man, it's bad. Alright people, so I'm gonna shell down this now. Yeah. And wash it down with some syrup. You done right thing go? Yeah. So stick and stay for the next video. Like I said before, the best of this channel is yet to come, because you can bet say nobody never knows if saltfish can actually brown stew. Me never know. I try it and it's bad. You see me? Yeah, it's bad. I can bet say nobody never know say the laid ends them can jerk and nice. Me never know. The idea come to mind and I try it. So if you never watch the video there, when you can check back, you see me, because I do it already, you see me? And it's bad. Yeah, so just watch the video there and see how I do it, you see me? Don't forget to leave a like on the video. Yeah man, leave a like. Leave a comment and tell me what you think about this I do right here, so you see me? This is my breakfast. Subscribe and touch the bell if you know about the job. Share the video to everybody where you think you don't want the video. Your mother, sister, brother, anybody, you see me? Just share it out. Help me grow. Help me accomplish my dream. You see me? Just share the video here. Also follow me on Instagram. Yardstyle Cooking Adventure. Yardstyle Cooking. and Jeff 876.